the intersecting lines.
Yes, sir. A straight line is intersect to the one point. It is called as intersecting line. What do you mean by parallel line? Anybody answer?
They are not intersecting.
A straight line is not intersecting or coincident. It is called as parallel line. What do you mean by coincident? Coincident line means two straight lines overlap the one point. It is called as a coincident line. And how many solution is given in the intersecting line?
Unique.
Only unique or one solution is given in the intersecting line. How many solution is given in the parallel line? Yes, no solution is given in the parallel line. How many solution given in the coincident line? Yes, infinite solution is given in the coincident line. And you will see that this is the intersecting line. This is only one solution. And this is a parallel line. This is no solutions. And this is a coincident line. This is infinitely many solutions. And we have discussed about in this period. We have discussed about consistent and inconsistent. What do you mean by consistent and what do you mean by inconsistent? Okay, my dear friends, consistent and inconsistent. Consistent means a linear equation is given in any equation is given the solution. It is called as consistent. But inconsistent means any equations but did not given the solution. It is called inconsistent. For example, in one problem, I can any equation given and solve the problem. I can check the consistent and inconsistent.
How to find the intersecting and parallel lines? How to find the intersecting and parallel lines?
Yes, sir. How to find the intersecting and parallel lines? Intersecting line.
What are the conditions?
Yes, sir. Any two equation is write the word and a1 by a2 and b1 by b2
right there. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ write in general form.
a1 by a2. This is a a1. This is a a2 because this is a pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation means the given is two equations. So a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, c1 by c2. This is the a1. So a1 means in this how many value of this a1? One and a2 value is 2. So I can break the 1 by 2 because a1 by a2 value is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 value is 1 by also by 1 by 2. Therefore I can break the 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 value is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 divided into 1 number. So 5 into 5, 5 to 10. This value is also 1 by 2. This is also equal. So this is
First transform that. X plus y minus 5
is equal to
c value c1 is minus 5, c2 is
minus 1. ಅದನ್ನ x plus y minus 5 equals 0 ಅಂತ
minus 5.
C1 value is minus 5 and C2 value is minus 10. So minus minus get cancel. This is value is also 1 by 2. This is all is equal. So this is the intersecting line. All lines are equal. This is called coincident line, and not equal, it is called intersecting line. And first two are equal, but another is not equal.
Write the conditions that side.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. It is called as intersecting line. And A1 by A2 is equal to the B1 by B2, but is not equal to the C1 by C2. So it is called as parallel line. And A1 by A2 is equal to the B1 by B2, and another is equal. C1 by C2 is always equal. So it is called as coincident line. In this way, I can check the and solve the intersecting line or parallel line and coincident line. So I can solve this equation. This is the coincident line. Coincident line means many solutions given in the line and infinite solutions given in the line. So coincident line is always inconsistent, because inconsistent means the coincident line is always consistent, because consistent means given the solution it is called consistent, but inconsistent means not given the solutions is called as inconsistent. So coincident line is equal to the consistent. I can check the coincident line is consistent, so this problem is consistent. And intersecting line is also given in the solutions, so it is also called as consistent. But parallel line is not given to the solution, so it is called as inconsistent. Okay, my dear friend, you can understand consistent and inconsistent. Monisha, what is mean by consistent?
Consistent is given many solutions.
Given the solutions is called as consistent. Okay, what is inconsistent?
Inconsistent means given no solutions is called inconsistent.
Yes, given no solutions is called inconsistent. Okay, any two boys come and solve the equation. Any boys say come, two members come and solve the equation. You can check the consistent, this equation is consistent or inconsistent, or parallel line, or intersecting line, or coincident line. You can check. Please come and solve the equation.
The value of x is 1, a1 is equal to 1, the a2 is 3, the x value is 3, it is a coefficient. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3. Next is b1 by b2. minus 1. Next one is minus 3. C1 value the value of A1 by 1 by 3 is not equal to is equal to 1 by 3. Not not equal, and we want to equal
1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 or not equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3.
it is an inconsistent line which we use the formula of inconsistent that we consider as inconsistent.
What is that formula? Which line is that?
It is the parallel line formula of consistent.
Which parallel line is this?
Yes, my children, this equation is parallel line. This equation given to the parallel line. Parallel line is inconsistent because the parallel line is not solutions. So it is inconsistent. And any two numbers their side is come and solve the equation. Any two numbers their side come and solve the equation. You can check is consistent or inconsistent.
Because the V2 value is -2.
Hey, you try video now. This is around video now. Tell the answer.
Yes, Kanita, your answer is right. V2 value is -2, but you write a +2, so you can change the
Color substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡು.
This value is -2. So this is not equal to this one. So it is a intersecting line. So it is a consistent, not inconsistent. Your sign is wrong. And I can check your understand this one activity. This cardboard is not arranged. You must come and arrange the cardboards. Okay. Any two members come and arrange the cardboards. This is an intersecting line. This equation is not equal to this one. So cardboard is arranged. Intersecting line is equal to the equation. Anybody come and arrange the table.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಂತ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Yes, this equation is equal to intersecting line. Yes, another equation is equal to anybody.
This equal to this.
ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವನು ಇಟ್ಕೊ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು.
ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ರಿ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ರಿ, ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ರಿ ಇಬ್ರು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಪಾಸ್.
This is the intersecting line. We have a formula to find the intersecting line. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. We have not discussed about C1 by C2 because it was the intersecting lines. It is not consistent. After that, we discussed about the next was coincidence lines. The coincidence lines are the overlap that their formula was A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. You can see in that the lines are overlapped because it was called as coincidence line. After that, we have discussed about parallel lines. Parallel lines, they do not intersect at any other point. It was the formula to find parallel lines are A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. It is the formula to find a parallel line. The parallel lines are not solutions, but the intersecting lines are a unique solution, and the coincidence lines are have infinite solutions.